high protein, vegan, vodka ziti, and Caesar salad pizza. People are always asking vegans, where do you get your protein? I'm gonna show you. I'm just getting going on the sauce right now. A while ago I saw a creator make this tofu dough that you can use like in all different ways, and I thought we'd try it today for the pizza crust to add in a little bit more protein to it. And I have some pasta already boiling. This is the one we're using, this high protein pasta. I just finished up like half a can of tomato paste. Can't find the can opener. My can opener is missing. I found the can opener. I'm doing a 15-ounce can of tutto rosso with some salt, pepper, some basil. Just tearing it up a little. Okay, I'm just gonna let this reduce down now so it's a little bit thicker to spread on our pizza. Okay, to make this a vodka slice, we're gonna add some cream. So I'm gonna make a cashew cream sauce, which I'm gonna start off with boiling my cashews so that they're a little bit softer and easier to blend. Okay, once your cashews have softened a bit, you can blend them with a little bit of the liquid that you softened them in. I had to add garlic to my sauce, so I'm just gonna add it to my cashews. It's time for the vodka. Basically, the vodka is a flavor enhancer. Once you've let your vodka cook a minute, you can go ahead and add in your cashew cream sauce. So going to add in a little bit of nutritional yeast. Let's get going on our dough. I think it's time for some wine. Oh, you guys have to see my cool aerator. I don't really know what aerating does to the wine, but I swear it tastes better. You want a glass? Salute. Okay, now we can keep cooking. Follow me over here. All right, it's time for the dough. I'm gonna use the same container that I blended the cashews in to blend up our tofu. All right, I'm just gonna roughly break it up and throw it in here. About half of it for the dough, but the other half I'm gonna use for something else, which I'll show you, but it all needs to be blended, so we'll just do it all at one time. Half of our blended tofu in our bowl. I believe the only things in the recipe are flour and salt. I don't really know what I'm doing. We're experimenting, so gonna just eyeball. Salt. I'm gonna add some olive oil to it too because I think it needs it. And I'm just gonna add flour until it comes together into a dough. Flour the pan a little. We'll put our dough in there. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna push this out into our pan. It's like a little too small, so I'm gonna make some more with some of our tofu that we have. Okay, I think this is enough now. This is looking like a pizza. Fun fact, I actually used to work at a pizza shop when I was in high school. They never let me make the pizza though, but I watched them a lot, so I probably know what I'm doing. Okay, so now I made a little garlic butter sauce that I'm gonna brush the whole pie with. It's literally just garlic and melted butter. All right, now for our vodka pasta. Just gonna mix. I'm just gonna mix our pasta into our sauce. Okay, then. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and load it up on half of our pizza because the other half is gonna be for our salad slice. Okay, then with the rest of this tofu that we have, we're gonna make a ricotta cheese. So I added some lemon, and I'm also gonna add some garlic powder, nutritional yeast, and some salt. And just stir that all up. All right, and then we're gonna take our ricotta and just glob it on to our pizza. This is gonna go in the oven at 425 for, I'm not really sure how long we're gonna see. Good luck. Okay, while the pizza is cooking, we're gonna make our Caesar dressing for the salad side of the slice. I like to use tahini as the base of the dressing, and I have just enough left in this jar here. So I'm gonna just make the dressing in the jar. I'm gonna start off with a clove of garlic. Hold on. Got it. Okay, some Grey Poupon, Dijon mustard, a little bit of that. A little bit of caper juice. Some lemon juice, a splash of maple syrup, and some salt. And then you'll probably want to add some water to thin it out. All right, I think our pizza is done. Oh, looks like it got a little brown, and seems good. It smells delicious. It took exactly 25 minutes. And we have our dressing, which I'm just gonna toss onto our salad. This is just some romaine lettuce that I chopped up. I also cooked up some vegan chicken tenders for the salad. I'm just gonna chop them up. Ouch. Throw them into our salad. Oops. I'm gonna add some capers into the salad too, because I love capers. The very last thing to complete our salad is we're gonna make a homemade Parmesan cheese, which all it is cashews, some garlic powder, nutritional yeast, and some salt. It doesn't quite reach. Okay, and just blend it up. Taste it. pretty good. Can use a little more in each. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and assemble our pizza. Okay. Go ahead and add our salad onto the other half. That's a lot of salad. And sprinkle some parm, I guess, on the whole thing, why not? Finishing touch, we will add some good quality EVOO. Nice drizzle over the whole thing. And then some fresh basil on the, what is this called? On the vodka ziti slice. All right, let's give this a slice.
You worked in a pizza place? You're cutting pizza like that?
What? What am I doing wrong?
You
No, but it's small, so we're gonna do 6 slices instead of 8. Duh. Let's get one of each. A ziti. So flavorful. Wow, the dough. I am so impressed by this dough. Whoops. It's like legit pizza dough. I don't understand how just tofu and flour did that, but it's really good. Okay, let's try the other one. This one's so fresh, and the dressing, it's perfection. And it's nice to have them together because this is kind of a really well-balanced meal. We got our protein, we got our carbs, we got our fiber. What more could you want? Thank you all so much for joining me today on this pizza adventure. It came out perfection. I would definitely recommend trying that tofu dough. It's chewy and crispy and so easy to make. There's no like rising involved or anything. 10 out of 10. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more vegan cook with me videos. And if you have any requests on something that you would like to see me veganize, please let me know. Okay, bye. Okay. Finish. Oh, these goddamn flowers.